What's up, everybody? Darren Frey here, coming to you with first video like this I've ever made. I've never made an unboxing video, but it's not every day that you get to open a package with copies of your first full-length novel inside it. So here I am, getting to, for the first time ever, check out a paperback copy in person of my novel, my debut novel. Available now on Amazon, Kindle, and paperback. Plug. I figured I'd share my initial reaction with all my friends and my fans. Let you see what I get to see. Alright, here we go. Oh, nice. Very nice. Hell yeah, to actually hold this thing in my hand. Very, very nice. Check it out. It's a big book. It was so nice to hold this thing in my hand. I don't know if you'd be able to see this or not. It's my Alan Watts quote. Waking up to who you are requires letting go of who you imagine yourself to be. I am so... Man, I can't believe I'm actually holding this in my hand. It's just so great. Can't wait to tear into this sucker. I don't know why there's two blank pages at the very end. I don't know if it's something I messed up and did on formatting or what, but I can't believe this. I can't believe I'm actually holding it. This is so great. Well, thanks for watching.